Want to know how to access or view the Wish assistant in wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com website or application. So the process is the same. Now, just simply head towards your profile. That's located on the top right. So you can just simply hover on it. And now once you've hovered on it here, you should be seeing Get Help right here. So it should be right below rewards. So once you've selected Get Help here, you should be seeing Help with a recent order. So this should be right below Track an item. So just simply select it right with a recent order. And once you've done that here, you should be on default directed to your support assistant. So here you can see the support assistant, and you can just simply select anything that you want and it will help you out with it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.